Hindi na ba kaya? May moment ka na ba na gusto mong isuko ang business mo? Naku anak, naranasan ko din yan. Ay nako, ang bigat. Pagod na ako, parang hindi ko na kaya at ang daming problema. Bagsak ang sales, nag-resign ng top employee mo, tumaas pa ang presyo ng supplier. Dumating ako sa punto na gusto ko na lang sumuko. Bago ko tuluyang sumuko, may sinabi sa akin ang mentor ko. Sabi niya, every successful entrepreneur I know has wanted to quit at least 20 times. Sabi niyang ganon. So ang lesson, normal lang pala yan. Hindi ibig sabihin na dapat kang sumuko. Ibig sabihin lang, kailangan mong mag-adjust. So reconnect with your passion, your purpose, and your biggest why. Why did you start this business in the first place? What are your dreams and aspirations? Remember those happy customers, those proud moments, and those milestones that you have achieved? Alam mo ba kung anong ginawa ko that day? Binuklat ko yung notebook kung saan ko sinusulat ang lahat ng positive customer feedback. Doon ko naalala kung bakit ko sinimulan itong lahat. Kaya bago ka mag-decide, pahinga muna. Take a step back, reconnect, and find a fresh perspective. Sometimes you just need a break and not to quit. You can overcome this challenge. Be business-minded, Pinoy.